Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, grade 3 pupils. Our topic for today, it's about the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. So, what is matter? Ano kaya ang matter, mga bata? Can you give me some example of matter? Okay, something that we can see all around us. Okay, ang ibig sabihin ng matter, mga bata, is anything that occupies space and has mass. Ibig sabihin, yung mga lahat ng nakikita natin sa ating kapaligiran ay tinatawag na matter. And matter occurs in three states. Okay, ito na yung solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, class, so ano kaya ang solid? Solid, the molecules in solid move very slowly and very close together. So, ibig sabihin, katulad ng nasa picture na ito, di ba, napansin yung mga bata na masyado silang close together o di kaya yung intact sila. So, like for example, this one. O, di ba? Mapapansin ninyo ito ay puno. O, di ba? Kung i-move natin sila ay hindi masyado ma-move. Kasi nga, close together. Ibig sabihin, intact sila. That's why solid has a definite shape, size, and volume. Okay, what is the example of solid? Okay, ang example ng solid ay ganito. Anong tawag dito, mga bata? Okay, this is wallet. Okay, ang wallet ba, sa tingin nyo may shape ba ang wallet? Yes, mayroon. Anong shape to? Sige nga, anong shape nga ito? Square. Very good. This is square. O, diba? Ang solid ay mayroon itong shape. Okay. Now, let us move on to liquid. Molecules and liquids are farther apart from each other. So, as you can see, yung ating mga small particles ay hindi sila masyado close. Medyo magkakalayo sila sa isa't isa. Like for example, this one. Halimbawa, kung natin naalugin, diba, naalog sila. Okay. That's why liquid has a definite volume but it does not have a definite shape and size. Ibig sabihin, ang liquid, it is only flows, and ang liquid ay nakikita natin pero hindi natin pwedeng hawakan. Like for example, this is a bottle, merong tubig sa loob. So, tingnan natin, this is an example of liquid. Tingnan natin kapag nilagay natin sa container na, okay, na walang laman, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. So, ano nangyari sa ating water? Okay, the water take place the container. Okay, naintindihan. Now, let us proceed to gas. What is gas? Okay, gas, the molecules bounce off and move in every direction. So, as you can see the pictures, the small particles here are bouncing. Ibig sabihin, nagbabounce sila. Okay, like for example, this one. O, diba? The small particles are bouncing. Ibig sabihin, nagbabounce off sila. That's why gas does not have definite shape, size, and volume. Like for example, when I'm going to spread out the perfume. Okay, halimbawa, nakita nyo, hindi natin nakita, di ba? Nahawakan, hindi rin, pero naamoy natin, naramdaman natin ang amoy ng perfume. So, yung lumabas na yun ay example ng gas. Okay. Naintindihan, class? Yes, naintindihan. So, magbibigay ako dito ng halimbawa ng ating three states of matter. So, this one is the example of liquid. And coffee, example of liquid. Oil, example of liquid also. And how about this one? This one is book. Okay, example of solid. Very good. And how about this one? This is a table. Another example of solid. How about this one? Okay, lahat tayo meron ito. Pencil case. This is another example of a solid. And then, okay, this one also. Okay, very good. Example of solid. Okay. This one, okay, milk is an example of a liquid. Now, how about this one? Okay, yung tire. This is example of gas. The air inside the tire is an example of gas. Okay, a ball. The air inside the ball is an example also of a gas. Okay, balloon. The air inside the balloon is an example also of gas. So, naintindihan class? Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.